David Drina here, Tech for Life. Doing a video on my 2020 iPad Pro. Basically, received the product, love it so far. I actually have it with a data plan, and so this is just a perfect time to have an iPad, especially the new one, because there's no cases right now available. Amazon, everything's delayed. eBay, everything's delayed. I mean, you want a good case, really can't get one right now. So decided to do what I usually don't do, get a skin, maybe protect it for a while. So got a company called dbrand.com. Did my first purchase with them, delivered, like it says here. Now it's my time to install. Already installed it, but you just want to basically show what I did here. So I got the dragon skin, and then looking at the product, and you can hear it. Good material, good texture. Went dragon skin because really was into the Game of Thrones series that was out there. On the camera, I got the red dragon skin. I just thought it would give a little pop. I'll show you how it looks. I think it came out great. First time ever installing something like this. It was actually pretty easy. You know, a little nervous. I don't want to ruin the product, but it actually went on pretty well. I think I did a good job with this one. So just wanted to show you the dragon skin. It's called dbrand.com. It feels awesome, and really happy with it. So here you go, 2020 iPad Pro, 11-inch. Like, subscribe, comment below. Thanks.